Today we have a very impressive explanation about why we see dreams. All this explanation is research-based and matches with reality. I humbly request you please subscribe to my channel. Every night, like clockwork, your eyes close. Today, secret world awakens. You're flying over oceans. You're meeting people you've never met. Sometimes you're reliving your worst fears or your deepest desires. But here's the real mystery. Why do we dream at all? Is it just brain static? A glimpse into our soul? Or a powerful tool of evolution? Tonight, we unveil the science behind dreams. Get ready to journey where your mind goes when your body sleeps. What are dreams? Dreams are sequences of thoughts, images, sensations, and emotions occurring in the mind during sleep. Most dreams happen during REM sleep, a deep stage of rest, where the brain becomes incredibly active. Even more active than when you're awake. Your brain fires signals through the limbic system, where emotions are stored, and the visual cortex, where images form. But here's the twist. Your prefrontal cortex rational decision maker shuts down. That's why dreams are often illogical, strange, or impossible. You're literally watching your mind tell a story without any filter. When and how do we dream? Humans typically go through 5 sleep stages, with REM, rapid eye movement, being the most dream-rich. During REM, your body is paralyzed, but your mind is in overdrive. Brain scans during REM show massive activity in areas linked to memory, imagination, emotion, and vision. This explains why dreams can feel so real, even though they defy logic. A single night of sleep includes 4 to 6 REM cycles, and each dream can last from a few seconds to 30 minutes. Why do we dream? Now comes the big question, why? Do we dream? There are several competing theories, each backed by science. The memory cleanup theory: dreams help us sort, store, and delete memories. Your brain filters out what's important and what's noise. Think of it like a digital hard drive, defragmenting overnight. Dr. Matthew Walker, a neuroscientist at UC Berkeley, says dreams help strengthen emotional memories and clear away the emotional sting of painful experiences. The emotional therapy theory: dreams act as emotional regulators. If you're stressed or anxious, your dreams help you process it. It's your brain's free therapy session, with no appointment required. The threat simulation theory: from an evolutionary view, dreams are survival training. Early humans used dreams to simulate dangerous situations, escaping a predator. In a dream is equals to better chance of surviving one in real life. The brain detox theory: during REM, the lymphatic system clears out toxins. Dreaming might be your brain's way of staying clean and sharp. The subconscious reveal theory: Freud believed dreams are symbolic windows into unconscious desires. Modern science disagrees with Freud's methods, but many researchers agree that dreams reflect internal conflicts, fears, and hopes. Can we control our dreams? Ever had a lucid dream where you realize you're dreaming and start controlling it? That's not science fiction. Lucid dreaming is real and studied. In MRI scans, people in lucid dreams can intentionally move their eyes, proving conscious awareness inside a dream. You can train yourself to lucid dream through reality checks. Dream journals: wake back to bed technique. Imagine flying, breathing underwater, or talking to lost loved ones while knowing it's a dream. That's lucid dreaming. What happens if we don't dream? REM sleep is blocked by drugs, sleep disorders, or trauma. Your body rebounds by diving into longer, more intense REM sessions later. A lack of dreaming is linked with memory loss, increased stress, emotional imbalance, reduced problem-solving ability. Dreaming isn't just entertainment, it's essential for your brain's health. Do dreams predict the future? Millions believe their dreams have predicted real-life events. But what does science say? Psychologists call this retrospective illusion. Your brain connects the dots after the event, not before. A phenomenon called precognitive dreams that appear to show future events so far. There's no scientific proof they're real, but scientists admit we still don't fully understand dreams. That mystery keeps the door open. Why dreams feel so real? The reason dreams feel intense and emotional is because your limbic system, especially the amygdala, is super active. Vivid colors, sounds, and even pain can be experienced in dreams because your sensory areas light up, just like in real life. But there's no logic check happening. So, your brain accepts even impossible scenarios as if they're totally normal. Dreams across cultures and history, every culture, from ancient Egypt to modern Japan, has taken dreams seriously. Egyptians believed dreams were messages from the gods. Native Americans see dreams as spiritual journeys in Hinduism. Dreams can carry karmic messages. Whether you're spiritual or scientific, dreams have always felt like a bridge between this world and another. So why do we dream? Is it therapy? Is it memory sorting? Survival mechanism? A mystery we may never crack. Maybe it's all of the above, but one thing is certain: dreams are not random. They're a deep reflection of our mind, our memories, our fears, and our imagination. A nightly adventure into the subconscious, blending science with the soul. So the next time you close your eyes, ask yourself,